Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how we can change aspect ratio of a video in CapCut PC. Alright guys, here I have opened my CapCut application in my PC, and for example, I'm going to change the aspect ratio of this video. So first of all, I'm going to drag this video to the timeline, and if you want to change the aspect ratio of this video, the steps are very simple. We just need to click on this option, this original option, and you can select the aspect ratio that you want to apply to your video. And for instance, I'm going to select this one, 9:16 ratio, and as you can see that the aspect ratio has been changed, and I'm going to adjust the position like this. I'm going to zoom in. Okay, and now it's done, and let's just take a look at the result. Okay, and alright guys, that's how we can change the aspect ratio of a video with CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.